this chapter, we are going to see the conversations section. Here we can see and follow all the conversations with our leads, and they will be divided in 4 parts: unread, recent, starred, and all. To highlight for any reason, we add that little star on the top, and then it will be displayed in the starred part. On the right, you can see all the details of the contact, and on the top left, you can create filters to be able to find faster the contact or type of contacts you are looking for, and you always have to click Apply for the filter to work. In the lower right part, you can modify the contact details and add DND and so on. In the center of the conversations, you will be able to view the history, reply by email or text. To our right, we have the calendar icon where we can schedule an appointment, and below it we also have the possibility to add or change a possibility. I hope I have helped you. See you next time.